How to fix disappearing messages on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and launch our Snapchat application from the device. Then get logged into your Snapchat account. Now let's go ahead and access our chats. Tap on the chats option on your bottom left corner. Then here, you will see all the chats that you have made. Now, in order to fix the disappearing messages, you have to tap onto the specific person that you would like to fix it with. For instance, if this is the person, long tap onto it. Then you will see chat and notification settings. Tap it. Then here, you will see delete chats. Tap that option, and you can toggle on this button that says 24 hours after viewing. Tap onto it, and now the chat will not disappear until 24 hours. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.